Hello everybody. Wanted to give everybody an update on the blizzard. Winds have really picked up, especially into this afternoon. It's really coming down. The snow has continued, and the winds are very gusty. I'm seeing some more birds out here. This is my third video of today. Some pretty good snow drifts in some areas, especially on top of our house. The winds are really fierce. There's some snow drifts up there on top of our roof. I think it might be like a 12-inch. I've been seeing some blue jays over here, and I put out extra foods for them, and the winter little birds are out. They're happy, picking up some goodies and before they head back to their nests. Some gusts coming. It's like the snow is hitting the trees pretty fast and hard, and it sounds like sleet, but it's actually the wind and snow getting pushed. You can see way over in the distance there, some of the snow just like flying really fast through the winds. We've had thunderstorm today too. Hope everybody's doing okay and safe and keeping warm too. The blizzard. Our backyard. The wind, yeah. Wow. This is our first big snowstorm of the season. I see some blue jays over there in that tree over that way. I've been seeing a lot of them around today. The winds are coming from the ocean side over there. And also it sounds like it's coming from over there too. It's like this really big, sound of the rumbling winds. You can hear it over there too. You can see some of that snow just flying through the air over there. You can just see it. It's like they say it was like northwesterly winds. Here we go. And it's snowing really hard. So get that wind, kicks it up. And it's supposed to be getting very cold. I heard like -11 here, and the wind chill is going to be anywhere between -23 and possibly -30 or 40 wind chill for the upcoming days. Some more winds it seems like the winds are changing over from this direction now, and coming from over there at the same time. It's twirling. Here's some more snow plows. There's a little bird. I'll come around here and film out front a little bit. The birds are around. Front bushes. Our neighborhood and road. Hearing the winds over there start to really pick up. Been seeing this a lot today outside my window. Snow blowing right off the top of the roof. Sometimes in the gusts. There's one right here. Keep safe and warm, everyone. I might come out later and do another video. Blizzard of 2018.